Napakaraming pagbabago in lifestyle of people. Everything had become commercialized already. Parang nawala na masyadong value ang mga magagandang okasyon. I remember before, pagdating ng January, there will always be haircut of the year, color of the dress for the year. Lahat yun nawala na. Because nakapokus na mga department store on year-end sale. Lahat puro sale, sale, sale. Commercialism na lahat. Ang hindi lang nagbabago is the desire to be beautiful, which should not change. Dapat constant yun na ang desire natin ay laging maganda tayo, maganda ang buhay natin, maganda ang takbo ng pamilya natin, maganda ang pagpapalaki natin sa ating mga anak. At yun ang change na maipapasa natin sa ating mga anak. Changes is inevitable. Changes is beautiful. We should always change for good, not for worse. To all our leaders, sana mag-change sila for better because they should always believe that there is karma. Ang karma ay sinasabing whatever you do in this world, whether they're good or bad, it will boomerang to you in 72 hours and 10,000 fold. Gusto niyo ba yung mga anak niyo na kinukutya ng kanilang mga kaibigan? Gusto niyo ba na yung mga apo niyo ay pagtatawanan at kukutsain ng kanilang mga kaibigan dahil kayo hindi maging magandang ehemplong leader of our country? So many things. Ang daming changes na dapat mangyari, even in lifestyle, even in our life, in how we deal with life. Everything will change and will keep on changing. But what I always say to all parents, especially the mothers and the fathers, if there's something that you should not change, is patience. Because patience is very, very strong. Tahimik lang kayo. Nagbibigay kayo. But the change that it will create to your family, to your children, to your sibling, will be tremendously very, very good because you are patient.